Welcome to Templafy, one platform that helps you create better documents faster right inside the apps you already work in. Generic AI gives you a starting point. Templafy has AI-powered document agents that works like colleagues who already knows your company. So what comes out is ready to use. And when you need to refine your text, ready-made AI prompts do the heavy lifting. No guesswork, just the result you needed. Beyond AI, you have instant access to a full library of approved templates, content, slides, icons, and images, plus productivity tools to check and polish your work before it goes out. Even your email signature is taken care of. Ready to get started? Check out the rest of the playlist for step-by-step tutorials on everything Templafy can do.